What's up, Innovation Nation? Today we're taking aim at a nasty disease, dengue fever. It's a mosquito-borne illness that affects millions globally, especially in tropical regions. But fear not, because science is fighting back with some pretty awesome tech. Let's dive in and see how innovation is zapping dengue fever. Dengue fever is no joke. It's caused by a virus spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito, those pesky daytime biters. Symptoms can range from a mild flu-like illness to a severe, potentially deadly form called dengue hemorrhagic fever. Yikes! The big problem is these Aedes aegypti mosquitoes thrive in warm, humid climates, which unfortunately describes a big chunk of the world. And with climate change, their range is expanding. This means more people are at risk, making controlling dengue a global challenge. But here's the good news. Innovation Nation is all about cool tech solutions, and dengue is no exception. We're going to explore two main areas. 1. Mosquito makeover, messing with the messengers. 2. Techie tracking, predicting and preparing for outbreaks. Mosquito makeover, messing with the messengers. First up, let's mess with the mosquitoes themselves. These little bloodsuckers are the bad guys in the dengue story. But what if we could make them less effective at spreading the disease? Buckle up, because science has some ingenious ideas. Wolbachia Warriors. Meet Wolbachia, a naturally occurring bacteria. Now, this isn't your average bathroom mold. Wolbachia moves into the mosquito's cells, like a tiny tenant, and disrupts things in a good way. It basically makes it difficult for the mosquito to carry and transmit dengue. Scientists are breeding mosquitoes with Wolbachia and releasing them into the wild. These Wolbachia warriors then mingle with the regular mosquito population. Over time, the Wolbachia trait spreads, creating a natural force field against dengue transmission in that area. Pretty cool, right? Host drones aren't just for pizza anymore. Imagine a swarm of drones buzzing around, not to deliver food, but to fight disease. This is actually happening with sterile male mosquitoes. Here's the deal. These drones carry male mosquitoes that have been rendered infertile. When released, they mate with wild female Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. But since the males are sterile, no offspring are produced. This disrupts the mosquito population's growth, reducing the number of potential dengue transmitters. Drones can cover large areas quickly and efficiently, making them a powerful tool. Host, now, let's talk about prediction. We can't fight what we can't see, right? So, scientists are using artificial intelligence, AI, to create early warning systems for dengue outbreaks. Here's how it works. AI crunches mountains of data, weather patterns, mosquito populations, even past outbreaks, to identify areas at high risk. This allows health officials to take preventative measures, like increased mosquito control efforts or public awareness campaigns, before an outbreak explodes. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where and when a dengue outbreak might happen. This foresight gives communities a fighting chance to protect themselves. Host. These are just a few of the ways technology is giving us the upper hand in the fight against dengue fever. Researchers are constantly exploring new avenues, like genetically modified mosquitoes or mosquito traps that lure and kill them. The key is collaboration. Scientists, communities, and public health officials working together can leverage these innovations to create a future where dengue is less of a threat. Host, so Innovation Nation fam, what can you do? Stay informed about dengue in your area, support research and development efforts, and if you see a mosquito, swat it responsibly. Remember, every little bit helps. Together, with the power of technology and a little human elbow grease, we can put a serious dent in this problem.